Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to use the built-in Task Manager in Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Click on the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Hover your mouse on More Tools. Click on Task Manager. Here you can find all the running tasks on Chrome browser. Select the task you want to end and click on End Process to end the task. This is how you can use the built-in Task Manager in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching.